If you have been losing your vision and are afraid that one day you might need something like these just to be able to see the faces of your loved ones, then check this out. Today your prayers have been answered and your world is about to change forever. Because you're moments away from a scientifically proven all-natural method that can finally restore your eye's health and give you back perfect eyesight. This is done with absolutely no laser surgery, expensive drugs or crazy eye exercises. You will discover the real root cause of your loss of vision, and I guarantee it's not what you think. Discover a program so powerful, it's designed to restore perfect eye health and give anyone who uses it crystal clear 20/20 vision in a matter of weeks. Mainstream media refuses to make this story public, even though it could save millions. Even your own ophthalmologist, under Big Pharma's strict orders, will refuse to say a word about its existence, but this major vision repair discovery is too important to be kept buried. People need to know about this solution. And it's all thanks to this brave rogue doctor who's willing to risk everything, including having his research taken from him again, to bring this to the public. He discovered the real root cause of loss of vision and the amazing solution. You will be shocked when you find out what he has to say. In Dr. Goldberg's words, your eye is attacked and your vision is slowly killed by toxic microbes in the gut, which are able to pass through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream and from there get straight inside your ocular system where they start suffocating it. This inflammation is sneaky because it brings other diseases along with taking on the form of every known ocular disease, including glaucoma, optic nerve deterioration, cataracts, ultimately leading to permanent vision loss or death. Fortunately, Dr. Goldberg finally managed to discover after 7 years of research and countless lab tests not only the cause but the solution as well. He found the right combination of natural ingredients to help destroy these toxic microbes and restore vision effortlessly. So if you are tired of anxiously searching for your glasses to be able to see just about anything, or you're concerned about your eyesight continuing to get worse to the point of not being able to see your loved ones, or you're frustrated about continually having to get new stronger glasses and eventually ending up with something like these, then you owe it to yourself to click the link below to find out what you can do about restoring your eyesight.